We are talking about breath. We have been been in that state, in that awareness of been receiving about more about the breath, what actually breath is. And breath is the essential essence of everything. Breath is this moment, this now moment where you are. Breath is that source of everything, and this moment is from where this breath starts. And in every thought that you create, that you make, you put this breath. The thought itself is a breath, the sound itself is a breath, but you have channelized it. You have carved out the raw space, this breath. This raw space becomes your breath, and then your sound, and then they become words, and then they become thoughts, the combination of them. And then you start to make their the way that you want to make these thoughts in a way that makes your reality a sense, gives a sense to it. So this moment has everything, and that everything is in the breath. And that breath is what you speak out. What you speak out is what you want to create, what you want to experience. So this breath is a raw space, a raw infinite space which creates everything, which we speak out. So how we alchemize this, transmute this, or like mold it according to our own wish, because our mind, this tool is given to mold this space, this breath. When we say anything like they see these alphabets, these symbols that we have learned in a childhood. Every day we have spoken these many times, right? So we have chanted them out. We have made a symbol, a portals of these energies to become one with another portals, and give something new for us to experience. So we are creating everything in every moment. So how much we are in this breath, this universal breath, this Brahma Swas, how much one thought receives this breath from you, this now moment from you. If you have created a specific thought pattern, then other thoughts needs to be away. Other thoughts, energies are not in sync. You can create boundaries about whatever you're thinking about to create a boundary for these high energy state dreams, so that other energies which are doubtful energies and fearful energies, they stay away from this, that you specific wish that you have wanted to experience. So how we are using this sound, that's the only thing. There's nothing, no one is doing anything. How we are using our sound, how we are using this breath, because sound is a higher, I won't say higher, but it's a variation of the same breath. So everything is a breath. So that's why we need to breathe. We are not breathing if we are reacting in this moment by anything, by situation or anything. If we are reacting, then we are not breathing. If we are responding, then we are breathing. Because in reaction, in whatever thing, the same energy being given out every time. So there is no gap, from that, extra, energy for the same thought to, see what actually it is. Because, if you're feeling stuck with that some situation and you react with your reaction, then it means you're not seeing it from your natural perception, from where you feel it and know this, situation or whatever you are in or I am in is supposed to be in this way for you to, balance yourself, to come into that balanced state of your own conscious awareness, not something else is telling you to do something at a particular space in time, and you're being, conditioned to be in that reactive mode all the time. So you're not giving your own energy. You're been now channelizing the same breath that you have taken 10 years back. Yeah, you haven't. If you're reacting, then you haven't taken any breath from that time. Start responding and start breathing and start living. This now moment is the place to live. Understand this moment by being here. It will teach you everything. This moment is a teacher, real teacher. Now teaches. It's what my initiation is, in imparting this information and, wisdom and knowledge that I receive from this moment only. So everyone is connected to this moment. How we tune to this, state that we all have. We need to give time that we have given now is the most luckiest time you can say, blessed time you can say, to improve yourself before something, the new energies are ramping up, they're going up. So we need to be in sync. There is nothing that can harm anyone if they are in sync with this moment. So live in the moment and you see the magic through your eyes. Thank you so much for tuning into the Universe Radio 22.4 DM, where you meet you. So stay connected with the hearts, because where everything is all comes from, and we are always connected from our hearts. So this is the platform, way, or whatever you want to call, to get connected. So thank you so much for listening, and we'll share soon our insights and thoughts and what we experience together. Thank you so much.